My name is Visitor Newlands Masu. I want to present on directed numbers. Directed numbers is the most essential topic in mathematics, those who are doing mathematics at ordinary level. So we are simply saying under directed numbers, what is directed numbers? So directed numbers, these are counting numbers. So by counting numbers, let's try to illustrate this one using the number line. We have our number line there. At center we have 0. That's our number line there. So let me show you on our number line how to present. Then we have 0 there. Then going on the right side, we have the positive numbers. That is the first digits. Here is positive numbers starting from 0 up to infinite. Then we have 1, the second one, 2, going up to the end. Then on the left hand side, starting from 0 going to the left side, we have the negative numbers. For example, we have -1 and also -2. So general, we are saying if we are starting from 0 going to the left hand side, we are recording the negative numbers. So fine, let's look another concept on directed numbers. However, we are not going to solve directed numbers using the number line. So here are the rules of how do we deal with directed numbers problems in mathematics. Fine, we want to look at addition and subtraction rules. The first rule there, it says we have rule number 1 there. Rule number 1, it talks about different signs. How do we deal with the different signs in mathematics? The rule, it says we take the sign of a larger number and get the difference. In bracket we have subtract. So our first example there, it says number 1, -9 plus 4. We have different sign. 9 has a negative sign, then 4 has a positive sign. So if we have a different signs, the first thing according to the law it says we take the sign of a larger number. So our larger number is 9. It has the sign a negative sign. So let's put it, the first thing is to put our negative sign. Then after identifying the sign, after taking the sign of a larger number, we say then 9 minus 4. We say bigger number minus smaller number. So 9 minus 4 we get 5. So that's our answer there. Our answer is what? -5 or -5. Thank you. The next example, it says 3 minus 5 is positive. 3 minus 5. However, sometimes it's not important to write a positive sign. You can just write 3. But here we have 3 minus 5. We have different signs. 5 is a negative sign, then 3 is a positive sign. So now we're supposed to take the sign of a what? Of a larger number. The sign of a larger number there is minus. Then we say bigger number minus smaller number. 5 minus 3 we get 2. So our answer, it becomes -2 or -2. Then the other one, it says -2 plus 7. We have different signs likewise. So our larger number is 7. So the sign there is positive. So we have a positive sign there. Then we say 7 minus 2. We get 5. So our answer is 5. So then our answer is what? It's +5. However, sometimes it's not important to write a positive sign. We can erase that negative sign. Then if we erase there, we get our answer. Our answer is 5. We can leave it as 5. It's okay. So going forward, we have the example number 4. Example number 4, it says -5 plus 8. Now this one is for yourself. It's do it yourself. It's do it yourself. Just do it yourself and post me the answer. Do it yourself. It's DIY. That's your practice question. So fine, going forward, that's all about the rule number one. When we are dealing with different signs in mathematics, the rule is simple. It says we take the sign of a larger number and get the difference, or we take the sign of a bigger number and separate. That's all about directed numbers. You can practice a lot of questions from different textbooks or sources. Fine, let's look at rule number two. Rule number two is talking about same signs as there. It's articulated same signs. How do we deal with same signs in mathematics? Same signs, the rule simple says we take the common sign and add. We take the common sign and add. So we simply say we take the sign that appears and add those numbers. Like for example, let's look at our example number one. It says -3 -2. We have same signs. Our sign there is what? It's a negative sign. So we take a negative sign and add those two numbers. 3 plus 2, we get 5. So our answer there is -5. Okay, fine. That's all about example number one. Let's look at example number two. 3 plus 2. These are same signs. So our answer become positive 5. You can simply write 5 instead of writing plus 5. You can simply write what? 5. Find the other example is -5 -7. Our sign there, these are same signs, so we just take the common sign. Our common sign there is minus. So after taking the common sign, we add two numbers. So our number there is -12. 5 plus 7 is 12. So our answer is a -12. Then the last one, as usual, do it yourself. It's DIY question. Okay, fine. For practice, you can do the other one. Says -2, -3, -4 is equals to. Then we can have a lot of numbers that are being separated. So the idea is the same. We just take the common sign, and then we add those three values. We take our common sign is negative, we add 2 plus 3 plus 7, we get our answer. Do it yourself. Fine, let's end here on the first rule, that is talking about the addition and subtraction of directed numbers. We are talking about different signs. So the first thing to note is when we are adding or subtraction, these rules are for addition and subtraction. So we are simply saying when we have different signs, the law, it says we take the sign of a bigger number or larger number and get the difference, that is separate those numbers, bigger number minus a smaller number. Then the rule number two is talk about the same signs. So if we have the same signs, we just take the common sign and add those numbers and we get our answer. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks to my manager